See the problem number 10. Find the number of ways of selecting 3 vowels and 2 consonants from the letters of the word equation. Selecting is nothing but combination. Remember the point. Selection is nothing but combination. Arrangement is nothing but permutation. The difference between permutation and combination is selections, combinations. Permutation means arrangements. Okay. So here what is the equation? What is the word equation? Given the word equation. Given the word equation, how many vowels are there? What are the vowels? A, E, I, O are called the vowels. E, U, A, I, O. Number of vowels equals to 5. E, U, A, I, O. So 5. Number of consonants other than vowels are called consonants. So 1, 2, 3. Okay. See, number of ways of selecting 3 vowels. How many vowels are there here? 5 vowels. Okay. Number of ways of selecting. Okay. 3 vowels out of 5 vowels. So 3 vowels out of 5 vowels. So 5 vowels are there. We are selecting only 3. 5, C3. Next. Number of ways of selecting. Next one is what? 2 consonants. 2 consonants out of how many consonants are there? 3. 3 equals to 3C2. 3C2. So now total number of ways of selecting 3 vowels and 2 consonants. Total number of ways of selecting 3 vowels and 2 consonants. 2 consonants from the letters of the word equation. Equation is equals to, simply do the multiplication. 5C3 into 3C2. 5C3 into 3C2. We know the formula. What is the formula? NCR formula. N factorial by n minus r factorial into r factorial. Okay. So 5C3 means 5 factorial by 5 minus 3 factorial into 3 factorial. N factorial by n minus r factorial into r factorial. Multiply with, this is also NCR. N factorial by n minus r factorial into r factorial. So that equals to 5 factorial by 5 minus 3 how much? 2 factorial into 3 factorial equals to, multiply with 3 factorial by 3 minus 2, 1 factorial into 2 factorial. See now, 5 factorial can be written as 5 times of 4 times of 3 factorial divided by 2 factorial, nothing but 2 into 1, multiply with 3 factorial into 3 factorial can be written as 3 times of 2 factorial by 1 factorial value 1 into 2 factorial. Okay, now observe that 3 factorial get cancelled, 2 factorial get cancelled. 2 how many times? 2 times. So 5 times of 2 is, so 5 times of 2 by 1 into 3 times 3 by 1. 5 times of 2 is 10. 10 times of 3 is 30. 30 by 1 is 30. So the number of ways is 30.